Button to begin. It's recording.
Begin.
It is. Wow.
You're moving pretty good here.
Yeah. We should get Troy out here too.
Skies are pretty gray. If you look in the distance over here.
This is the viewer. Yeah. If you see this, viewers, the storm is bad.
Looks like we got something coming. Hope it's not serious.
Sure looks that way.
Get back here.
I'm recording up front too there. George, get inside.
No!
That is one dark cloud.
Get George in the video.
Hey, George! Ah, creepy. As you see earlier, earlier on the way home, I saw funnel clouds, so. What, that? Trees?
Get it, it's moving.
Where? Can? Oh, good Lord! As you can also hear, you can also hear the wind sound of a tornado. So, possible tornado in Camrose. See the wind? It's going crazy. You see some major green over there in the distance.
Can you come over and get a...
Yeah. We're gonna post this on YouTube, on my account. If that's okay, right? Not done yet. I'm gonna do a little more. It's not gonna be like a 1 minute thing. It's gonna be a little longer. I want to get a full video. Okay. Slow down for now. Oh, there's a cat that drove by. It looks like my daddy, but it's not my dad. Wind's picking up. Mom, say hello to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Hey, I'm gonna go get Troy to say hi to YouTube.
No.
Hey, George. YouTube says hello. Barkity bark bark. Okay.
Bye all.
Bye. This is Flare Prower 346 and
Miss Cal.
Miss Pal 413 signing off.